Dad mode. Dad mode. Dad mode. Dad mode. Dad mode.
All right, the 790R Rally exhaust modification, starting with the Akrapovic, whatever. All I did was put in this straight pass-through pipe. I'll put the name of it in the description here because I totally forgot what it was called, but it's just straight through, no bulge.
That's what she said.
Which I wasn't too concerned about. I'm sure Aero is very high quality. In fact, I know it is. I had it on my 1290. But stock headers into catless link pipe into Akrapovic, no baffle. So I'll do a quick audio test with a high quality mic here. What do you think, JJ?
It's good.
Okay, cool. And then we'll do one with the baffle left in it. The stock baffle in there. Same system, obviously, just a D-Link.
Stop baffle.
Hey, don't you be silly. Stock D-Link, or I'm sorry.
Stop baffle.
Hey, buddy. Akrapovic, D-Link.
Stop baffle.
He likes saying baffle. All right, here we go. I'll do a drive-by real quick. Won't be fast, very, very slow. But here we go. All right, there it is. I'll do a better running test on the highway. Yeah, buddy.
I see a butterfly.
Very cool. All right, that's it. Just wanted to get the basic video out there of the baffle out, straight through exhaust. Sounds good. I'm gonna put the baffle in permanently though. It is loud on the street. So I'll do one for the highway with the helmet mic so you can get an idea of what it's like when you're running it on the highway. One more part I wanted to show off. I took these off the 1290. It's the Rottweiler mounts, Aero mirrors, and just Lycra handguards, but that's what yours could look like. Totally rad. That's about it. JJ, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Dad mode. 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 Dad mode.